Hi guys, today I am excited to introduce to you the Legacy Builders program. This program is designed for individuals who are looking to earn extra income as part-time job working from home. And by selling digital products online, you can achieve financial freedom by selling digital products online. With the Legacy Builders program, you can start quickly and start making money in a matter of weeks. One of the key benefits of the Legacy Builders program is that it allows you to earn while you learn. This means that you can start making money from the first week even as you are still learning the ins and outs of this program. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump into it. Hi, my name is Bonita and I also started making money working from home by joining the Legacy Builders program created by Michelle. I was able to earn over $36,000 in a short period of time by simply implementing the strategies and techniques that Michelle shared in her program. Now, I am super excited to share this amazing opportunity with you guys and help you achieve your financial goals as well. The best part about the Legacy Builders program is that it's perfect for beginners. It makes it easy for you to sell ready-provided digital products as everything you need to get started provided to you. You don't need any technical skills or experience to get started. In fact, Michelle holds your hand throughout the entire process and provides you with all the tools and resources you need to succeed. With the Legacy Builders program, you have access to a range of high-quality digital products that you can sell to your customers. This makes it easy for you to start making money online without having to worry about creating your own products from scratch. The earning potential with the Legacy Builders program is truly unlimited. As you learn how to sell digital products and build your online business, you can start generating a steady stream of income. The program is designed to help you maximize your earning potential and achieve your financial goals. Now let me tell you a little bit more about the creator of the Legacy Builder program, Michelle. Michelle is an internet marketing expert who has been teaching people how to make money online for over 10 years. She has a proven track record of success and has helped thousands of people just like you start their own online businesses. Michelle is passionate about teaching others how to make money online and she is committed to helping them succeed. That's why she created the Legacy Builders program, which is designed to be easy to follow, even for beginners with no technical skills or experience. In the Legacy Builders program, you will learn how to start your ready business to go. You will learn how to sell digital products. This includes everything from setting up your online store to marketing your products to customers. With the support and resources provided by the Legacy Builders program, you will be well on your way to building a successful online business. I know that starting a new business can be daunting, especially if you're not sure where to start or what to do. That's why I'm so excited to share the Legacy Builders program with you. It is a game changer for anyone who wants to start their own online business and make money selling digital products. The best part is that you don't need any technical skills or experience to get started. Michelle will teach you everything you need to know to be successful. Plus, you will have the support of a whole community of like-minded individuals who are also on their journey to financial freedom. Don't wait any longer to start your journey towards financial freedom. Click the link below to sign up for the Legacy Builders program today. I can't wait to see you inside. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you soon. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
This might sting a little bit, but some of you need to hear this. If you're struggling making income online, if you're struggling getting your content convert, maybe it's because you're trying to do it by yourself. And yes, I get it. That sounds so weird, right? Because you're like, but I'm in business for myself. I want to be my own boss. So what do I need? What am I missing? You're missing community, my friend. I wouldn't be here today. I wouldn't have made millions online if it wasn't for a community. Come on, people do not want to buy another program. People don't want to buy another course. They want to be part of an interactive community that will guide them step by step through the process. I launched my business in September of 2022, and less than 60 days later, I created a community, and now that community is over 52,500 people. What's great about that is you can go inside the community right now. You can make a post and many will engage with you. And see, that's why so many people struggle, because they try to make money by themselves, then they get frustrated or they think something's not working. In reality, maybe it is working. You just don't know because you're trying to do it by yourself. That would be like somebody wanting to become a professional dancer without coaching, or somebody want to become a professional football player without coaching. You have to have the coaching and you have to have the mentorship to get to where you want to go. You can't get somewhere you've never been by yourself. So if you're trying to make an income online and you do not have a thriving community and you do not have a mentor that is where you want to be, I would change what you're doing, because if you don't change, nothing changes. I'm sharing this with you because that's the best decision I did. And now I'm part of an amazing community and we grow together and we have fun together. Community matters, my friend.
Thank you so much for being here and for giving us your time and attention. You've just heard Michelle share how powerful it is to be part of a community like this. And I want to echo that from the bottom of my heart, because when you're surrounded by people who understand your goals, support your growth, and walk the same path as you, everything changes. Now, let me be real with you. The Legacy Builders program isn't just another online course. It is a proven system built on the real success stories of individuals who were once exactly where you are right now. People who had no clue where to start. People who had doubts. People who were scared of failing. But they made one decision. They started. They joined this program. They followed the training. They asked questions. They leaned on the support system. And today, they're selling digital products. They're running online businesses. They're earning real income from skills they once thought were out of reach. That can be you too. Whether you're here because you're looking for a side hustle or because you're dreaming of full financial freedom, this is your moment. The Legacy Builders program is designed for beginners, dreamers, and action takers. It gives you the tools, the roadmap, and most importantly, the community to help you succeed. You don't have to figure it out alone. You don't need a degree in marketing. You don't need thousands of followers. What you need is the willingness to begin. Because starting small is better than not starting at all. And when you start with the right people beside you, your small steps turn into something powerful, something profitable, and something that lasts. So if you've ever thought to yourself, can I really do this? Let me tell you right now, yes, you can. We believe in you. The Legacy Builders community is ready to welcome you. And your journey to creating a digital income and a lifestyle you love starts with one simple decision. Say yes. Say yes to learning. Say yes to growth. Say yes to your future. Now, we created the Legacy Builders program because we saw a gap. We saw that there were many individuals out there like the ones I mentioned earlier, who had the desire to learn, who had the hunger to succeed, but they were struggling to find the right guidance. They were feeling stuck. They were confused by the overwhelming amount of information online. They didn't know where to start. They didn't have anyone to turn to for real advice. And we felt that needed to change. We've been in the digital space for a while now and we've learned a lot. We've made our fair share of mistakes, but we've also celebrated countless wins. And what we realized is that the biggest problem most people face isn't a lack of knowledge. It's a lack of direction, a lack of motivation, and most importantly, a lack of community. In today's digital age, you have access to so much information at your fingertips. There are countless courses, tutorials, and webinars out there. But what you really need is someone to hold your hand, to guide you through the process, to answer your questions, and to be there to support you when things get tough. That's what we do in the Legacy Builders program. We focus on teaching you the skills that are in demand, the ones that will help you stand out and make a real income. We break down complex concepts into easy-to-understand lessons. We give you actionable steps that you can implement right away, and we provide you with the resources that you need to succeed. But it doesn't stop there. The Legacy Builders program is more than just lessons and resources. It's about building a community, a family of like-minded individuals who are all working towards the same goal. A place where you can ask questions without feeling embarrassed, where you can share your wins and your losses, and where you can lean on others when you need support. Because let me tell you something, the most successful people in the world, they didn't get there alone. They had teams, they had communities behind them cheering them on, helping them up when they fell, and celebrating their successes. And we want you to experience that too. We want to see you succeed, not just for your own sake, but also because we know that when you succeed, you'll inspire others to take that leap of faith as well. You'll show them that it's possible. You'll be a shining example of what can be done. So if you're ready to join this amazing community, if you're ready to invest in yourself and your future, then I encourage you to say yes. Say yes to this opportunity. Say yes to learning. Say yes to growing. Say yes to becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you again for being here. I can't wait to see your story become the next success we celebrate.